Here we go. A 2003 in that beautiful Millennium Yellow on the exterior, a black interior. This is a beautiful car. It has 75,000 miles on it, and this could be someone's beautiful first Corvette because the price is right on this Corvette. You'll want to take a look at this one if you've ever wanted to get yourself a Corvette, and boy, heads will turn when people see that yellow Corvette coming down the road. As we said, yellow on the exterior, Millennium Yellow, black interior, and under the hood you'll find a 380 horsepower LS1 engine with automatic transmission, posi rear end, and factory features include the $1,000 1SB Preferred Equipment Group. On this car, you'll find heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto headlights, and it does have the Millennium Yellow tint coat upcharge. It has polished wheels, Bose CD, dual sports seats, power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps. Everything on this car is power. And again, a 2003 Corvette, and it shows 74,880 miles, and we guarantee it is in overall good condition. The paint's very good condition. It has a great shine. The polished wheels look great, and it's got a great set of tires on it, and you'll just find this to be a fantastic car. This could be somebody's beautiful Corvette. This is the perfect time of the year to buy, and we hope that if you're interested in this car or any one of the 120 other Corvettes we have in stock on our showroom floor here in Atlanta, be sure to give us a call. You can talk to one of our experienced sales representatives at 770-414-5552, and they'll help make this Corvette yours today. Remember, we ship all across the United States, and you'll be surprised how economical that can be. Again, we hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.